Hey guys, got a big project going on today. I thought I'd share with you. This is the driveway to my shed. As you can see, the trees are all kind of growing shut, and we're banging branches with the trucks pretty bad, bringing them in and out of here. The driveway could be widened out a little bit, and you know, on up the driveway here. Take some of this brush out, and basically come up here and widen out the whole turnaround area there in front of the shed. So I got a guy coming. He actually just pulled in. He's got a skid steer on tracks with a big mulching head on it, and I'm really excited to see how this thing does, how it happens here. He's just getting started already. I hired him for 8 hours because it's kind of pricey, but this has to be done because we're just, you know, damaging equipment and stuff in and out of here. And we get that done. Got some stuff around the house and around a fence line for him to maybe tackle. But I took some video for some before and after footage, and we'll see how it turns out. So let's go see if we can catch him in action here. I'm gonna have to take, you can only get so close to the fence lines, so I'm gonna get some big cutters here and cut some stuff along the fence line and throw out in his path so he can mulch it up. But ooh, here he comes. Let me see if I can get him. Gonna clean all along this fence line here. Hopefully turn this into some grass. And then all the way around back there. He should come out on the back side of the house there. Come over, we're gonna clean all this up. Clean all this up here, over here. We're gonna clean all this up in that area there, around the oak tree, and then this over here. Make a nice path up from the shed to the house here. Ooh, here he comes in a cloud of dust. Let's see if he takes that little tree. Whoa. Eating that like breakfast. That's what we like to see. Yeah. Holy cow, he's getting her done. I guess I better stand back because that sucker's throwing chips of wood like 30 feet. End up taking one to the eyeball or something. Wow, that thing does a good job. I think this is going to turn out to be well worth the money. Check that out. It takes me weeks to do by myself with a freaking whatever kind of tools I was going to use. So this is what the ground looks like after he goes through. You know, a lot of mulch and mess here, but I just have to go through and rake it up or scoop it up with the bucket. I don't know if you remember a few seconds ago, there used to be a pile of brush there and pine trees. They are no longer. They are officially compost. So opened up that trail real nice. I gotta say, I'm color me impressed so far. Got a lot of work ahead of me cleaning up this ground so we can plant some grass or whatever we want to plant, but hey, I'll take it. Can't get too close to the fence without snagging it, so I'll go through, like I said, and trim that up with those loppers right there, and just throw that out into the into the brush, but I am, it's been only 20 minutes and I'm pretty pleased so far. Well, we had to quit for the day because we broke the doggone machine. About 45 minutes from being done, we broke the machine, or I should say, we broke the machine, it broke. Before I had to run in and take a shower before doing this. Just dust and dirt from head to toe. So just wanted to get the dirt out of my mouth before talking some more. You can see behind me, look how wide this driveway is now. She's plenty wide now. We went all the way past down this side of the driveway, and then he came back and was making his pass up this way. Let me show you what happened here. Kind of tragic. It's going to be an expensive repair, I hate to say, but working on this tree right here, and the way lifting up the bucket, the hydraulic hose got snagged on a branch and somehow got sucked into the rotator head, the grinder head, and ripped it right out of the machine. Both ends, couplers, gearbox, ripped it right off the frickin' machine. So that's gonna be pricey. He took it right to Caterpillar. He's like, this is just bad. So that'll probably be a $5,000 fix or better. And you can see the hydraulic fluid. This hole right here is from the hydraulic hose. That's about 2 feet deep. The hose got wrapped around and it just was whipping it. And that hose dug that freaking hole. That's how hard and what kind of force it was whipping it with. But we were only gonna do, which is about a dozen more trees here, one more row off this side, and call it a day. So 45 minutes we would have been done. But he's gonna come back and I'm gonna have some more. I think I'm gonna take a whole nother row out on each side and widen this baby up. It's a lot of rocks at the end there, so I ain't gonna have him go grinding around in there, but I like to widen the driveway some more. But yeah, I am so pleased. I couldn't be more pleased. I got one hell of a mess to clean up though. I'll tell you that. That freaking grinder head will throw this stuff about 100 yards. I was trying to stay out of the way, but I was also trying to walk ahead of him and watch for rocks. That's how I got so dirty. I took so many freaking chunks of wood to the back. Probably looks real bad back there, but it'll throw him, I mean, a good long ways. When he's got it up in the air coming down on a trunk, it'll throw 100 yards with some force. So gotta be a little bit more careful next time. But anyway, that's the project we're doing here, and we're doing more of it. Maybe I'll show you the finished product, the improvements and stuff when we're done. It's gonna be a long project, so, and only got so much money, unfortunately. But yeah, thanks for checking in. Check out some of my other videos. Check out the website, DIYsemi.com, and stop in on a live stream sometime.